Hey everyone, in this video, I will talk about a Youpu honest review. First of all, what is Youpu? Youpu is not an online store. It's more like an image hosting platform that sellers use to showcase products. It is especially big in replica markets. So, some of the good reviews is first reason is huge variety. It has a huge variety for sneakers, watches, handbags, clothes, and you name it, they have it. Sellers post tons of product photos from all angles. Next, easy browsing. No ads, no clutter, just clean photo albums. And quick to skim through if you know what you're looking for. Next, good for replica lovers or bulk buyers. If you're hunting for replicas, Youpu is a go-to place. Many sellers offer a bulk deals for resellers. Next is the visual reference. You can compare different versions or batches visually before buying. Next is the not so good reviews. First is no pricing or details. Youpu shows photo only. No prices, sizes, descriptions, or reviews. You have to manually ask the seller for everything. Next, it has a list of scams. Youpu itself doesn't vet sellers. Some sellers are 100% legit, others are scammers. No buyer protection from Youpu itself. Next is the manual process. No cart, no buy button. Communication, pricing, payment, and shipping all happen off-platform. And lastly, inconsistent photo quality. Some photos are professional, others look like they were taken in the dark, can be hard to tell true quality from pictures alone. Now, who is Youpu best for? It is best for fashion replica enthusiasts, sneakerheads looking for replicas or early releases, resellers sourcing bulk inventory, and experienced shopper who know how to vet sellers and spot fakes. Now, who should avoid it? Some for people looking for a safe one-click shopping experience, beginners who don't want the hassle of manual communication, shoppers uncomfortable with the risk of replicas or counterfeit goods, and if you expect fast shipping and Amazon-style customer service. It has an honest verdict of 3/5. And that's basically it.